So I'm just open my camera immediately. I have finished my recently buy selling thing in my market. So not recently, it's kind of 2 hours ago I have arrived at my home from market. There I have just I have been doing buy sell there every day, and if I get time at morning for any time that's free, at that time I'm trying to record. I will try to record my YouTube video. So today's just this video will be published. So today's just not get time at morning, therefore I'm doing record this video at night. So right now in night in my country, and I'm so tired because entire day is spending with by selling physical product and taking physical money face to face by selling B2C business, something like that. If you go your market, there you can get oil, rice, something like that. I have a grocery mall in market. There I'm just doing buy sell. It's kind of stuff. I'm just learning from them. But I like that. I so like that because when I taking money for giving some product that's need for him, because without salt, without oil, without any vegetable, you cannot alive in the world. So you need that. That's a fundamental thing. Those are fundamental thing. I just doing by sell those thing that's need each day. That's need a customer. So I'm just doing customer for needing product, not needing. It's kind of wrong grammatical. I said need product. So I will do that. I am just learning that, and I'm trying to sell something on online. I'm just learning, and nothing have add so more, and I'm just doing that. I enjoy that. I have been boring that. Sometimes bored is coming. Every good work you can get that, but boredom is like some people happen boredom is failure. Some people is doing some people is did control. So therefore I would say boredom is not bad at all. So if you get boredom, you are lucky. If you are poor, you are lucky. If you are broker, you are lucky. You can stand up immediately. You are lucky. If you are poor, if you are broker, if you get boredom at your work, you are lucky. You need to just control that. And all of video I have recorded before, majority video is non-skip video, therefore I have made a lot of mistake. I know that, and is as you know, I haven't any fucking shy. I'm just doing record video immediately. I'm taking my phone any from my pocket or other thing, and open my camera and recording, and open screen recorder and recording tutorial video or fucking productive video that I'm doing right now. I'm just wanting to stay uncomfortable position. I'm just trying to taking pressure someone, because someone, if someone is giving you pressure, as well, this is you lucky, because I would say pressure broker, and it's this kind of thing, it's not bad at all. So if you can get this already, I would say just taking control and doing, and focus on your work. Nothing else, I would say nothing else interrupted you if you just focus on at your work. Okay, that's it. Don't I'm I'm not wanting to waste your time. That's it. I'm just doing that immediately. I don't know you are happy or not, because I'm just taking my phone, open my camera, and immediately I'm recording my video. So that's it. I'm hoping you do enjoy my video, and in the in the future you will see continuously. It's my mind hopping. So see you later. Until that, happy hunting.